Check it out, this amazing quality Buckeye burly caps, ideal for boxes. They're anywhere from 20 inches, from 24 inches to 27 inches in length, from 7 inches to all the way to tall. And some of them are like shorter pieces here. They're like 18, 16 inches length. That guy right there. Now these are like 24, 27 inches in length, ideally. Longer, big pieces. These are the batch number 1. So we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 pieces right there. Amazing quality. If anyone looking for Buckeye, ideal for boxers or like woodworking projects, they are beautiful color. They are like anywhere from 4 inches to 1/8 to 3/16. Many of them are like a 5 millimeter to 6 millimeter to 4 millimeter to 6 millimeter. Amazing quality. 25 slices right there. Beautiful Buckeye. Look at that.